Welcome to Tourisme channel. Please, like, share and subscribe my channel. Bandung factory outlets, apparel, and leatherware galore. Home to Indonesia's many textile factories, the city of Bandung offers a large number of factory outlets where Jakarta shoppers regularly flock to find the latest trendy apparel at reasonable prices. Those planning to travel to cool climates will stock on warm clothing here in Bandung. You will find factory outlets or distribution stores, known as distros, dotting the main Dago Avenue, now called Jalan Irh Juanda, along Jalan Riau, officially known as Jalan Rimartadenada, or up the road to Lembang, where Jakarta cars regularly jam the parking lots especially over the weekends. Jalan Sahambalas is the favorite street to buy clothes, and by the way, the street is also famous for the many stores selling all kinds of crispy TID bits to bring home to colleagues and relatives. Many of these outlets are housed in beautiful colonial homes, for which Bandung was once famous. In Bandung you will also find leather goods, from the reasonably priced to branded goods, made here in Bandung. You will find a large variety of handbags and shoes in all shapes and sizes. While there are many in the city, most popular are Diaz and Elizabeth. The suburb of Cibaduyut specializes in shoes and leatherware. Since the opening of the Cipularang toll road between Jakarta and Bandung, the distance between the two cities now only takes some 2 hours through picturesque countryside. So just making a short day visit to Bandung is worth your while. Thanks for your watching. This another video if you are interested too. And have a nice day.